Bandwidth for this podcast is brought to you by CacheFly at CACHEFLY.com.
Play artist, right on dynamite.
Playing artist right on dynamite. MP3 music search, only on Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. Sync, say the word.
Hey guys, I'm Justine here, Macworld 2010. I'm at the Smart booth. Now you guys have so much crazy stuff going on here that I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Can you just tell me what's going on? Like, what's going on?
Thank you. Well, yeah, the Smart. We do have a lot of stuff going on here. Every year we come to Macworld. We've been here the last 8 or 9 years. I can't even remember. Seems like every year I'm here. So
forever.
So we've got a bunch of great stuff. Every year we keep raising the ante. So what we have behind me here, this is our interactive display frame. So this is a 50-inch plasma TV that we've mounted this display frame onto that turns it into a touch-enabled surface. So like everything else we have going on in our booth, we are completely centered around touch. Apple now has the iPhone, iPod Touch, the iPad coming out. We've been doing that since 1991 when we shipped the first ever interactive whiteboard.
That's amazing, and that's a really long time.
Well, it's been really good for us. I mean, we have over 1.5 million smartboard interactive whiteboards out there in the world right now in over 180 different countries.
Wow.
So people are just now sort of coming around to, yeah, we don't want to have a special tool. We want to be able to touch and manipulate our data. And that's what we do. That's where we live.
And this is so great for like classrooms and presentations, you know, or I mean, hey, I might even put one in my bedroom, just sort of draw on it all day long. So can we check this out? Like, how does this work?
Absolutely.
Oh, look, it's my name. Who wrote that? Oh, that's so exciting.
There's little wizards inside there. No. So what we have here, as I said, this is an application made by one of our third-party developers. It's called ArtRage Pro. But you can use any application, and basically what we've done is we've gotten rid of the computer, we've gotten rid of the keyboard, your finger is your mouse. Whatever you do, you can touch. Or, instead of a finger, you can use a paintbrush.
That's a paintbrush. And it's just a regular paintbrush that you would get at a hardware store?
Just a regular paintbrush that you'd probably find at an art supply store.
Art supply? Well, either way, you know.
But you can go ahead and we can come in here and select a color that we want. And now you can go ahead and paint.
I'm painting! Are you left-handed?
I'm not, no.
Oh. That's amazing.
Be in your way.
This is so cool. I mean, this is just a regular paintbrush, and I am painting on this screen. So, is there a computer hooked up to this, or everything is inside of here?
No, there is a computer hooked up. We just have a Mac Mini running on the back.
Oh, that's crazy.
So any application that you can run on your Mac Mini, you can do with the smartboard.
That's amazing.
This is one type of form factor, but then we also have different things that we're looking at doing, like our prototype table right over here. So with this, what we've done is we came out last year with the world's first multi-user, multi-touch table for early childhood education. As soon as we came out with that, people said, well, what about us? What about the adults? So we came out with this table. So this is actually running some different applications, such as our page flipping application. So you can see with this, I could go ahead and take this book, and I can go ahead and write on it, and then I can flip the page. And when I come back to the page, look, here's some pictures that we had drug on here previously. But it's also a really great way for me to be able to use a catalog. Let's say that this was in the front of my house or the front of my showroom, an office, exactly. I'm waiting for my doctor's appointment, and I want to read People magazine. So I can do this. I can zoom in on anything that I want to see a little bit more closer, etc. It's just another way that you can directly interact with a unique application for your data. That's one of the reasons why we're here. Why we're here at Macworld this year. We have some great hardware offerings, and we're actually looking for developers. So I'm actually the manager of our ecosystem program. So third-party developers, we've got some hardware that I think you'd really like to see. So we encourage you to come to our website and check it out.
That's exciting. Now, what's your website?
Our corporate website is www.smarttech.com, SMARTTECH.com, and then if you just do /ecosystem, it'll take you to our department's homepage. We've got a table developer application contest going on right now. We're really excited to see what the creative Mac community could come up with for us.
So now if I wanted to get one of these in my apartment, how much would that cost?
This table would be custom, so we'd be able to make it match the paint on your walls if you would really like us to.
So this entire table is a part of this, not just this specifically?
Exactly. This entire table is a custom designed table for this type of purpose. If you wanted to look at our early childhood table, which is right over here behind us,
Let's look. Is that it right there?
Yep, right over
so you
there.
mean I can get a pink table if I wanted?
That table is currently listing for education price of $6,400, and it's been out for just under a year, and we've already crossed the 1,000 unit mark out in the field. So we really believe that this is going to be the way that small groups of early childhood students are going to be collaborating in the classroom for years to come.
No, I think this is going to be so cool for kids or me. This is pretty cool. I'm a fan. Wow, this is awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guys, I'm speechless. Bye. I don't even know what to say. This is really cool.